Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, I want to go through a few updates of the upcoming most nuttiest adventure in the world, the Strata Florida. Cue the intro. So the upcoming adventure, the Strata Florida, is a proper helmet head 11 out of 10 winging it adventure. It's absolutely nuts. The Strata Florida is one of the most dangerous green lane off-road routes you can do in the UK. People have generally died trying to do this route. Now we're taking some of the most perfect bikes for this, the Honda Monkey bike and the Psychic's Vespa. Now the Honda Monkey bike is the best bike in the entire world. We all know it, it's well and truly proven. Then the Psychic's Vespa, that's all right, is, you know, being kitted, he's putting off-road tyres on it, he's doing bits to it to make it able to do this run. Now the actual adventure is just, like I said, a nuts helmet head adventure as always. But what we've done is, we've basically worked really hard on building the Monkey Cycle camper van Mark II, and we've asked people to help and support and donate towards it. And do you know what? People have been absolutely fantastic as always. We've received lots of donations and support. And part of that, I promised the first adventure we take the Monkey Cycle camper van on, we're going to invite those people. And that's exactly what we've done. We have sent out exclusive invitations to everybody that's donated towards it, including all the patrons that support the channel every single month, because that money too has gone towards this build. And I cannot wait. Now I've had quite a few questions about this entire route, and quite a few people are going, you guys are absolutely nuts, and they're not wanting to come on this bonkers off-road adventure where potentially they could knacker their bikes. And you know, I absolutely I understand that. And then a few other people unfortunately are away during that time that have donated towards it as well, but I have to put a date on it, so that's exactly what I've done. And I'm sure we'll get to ride with those people in the future, and especially the two that have, you know, really helped out with this camper that are unable to come on this adventure. We will find some time in the future to do something together. That is going to happen. But right now, this adventure that's coming out soon, there is still an opportunity to support it. Now there's many ways to support the build of the Monkey Cycle camper van. You can donate on the Just Giving, you can do it on the PayPal, you can do something to help towards the van like some people have done, or you can become a patron. Now I've not put any caps to do with money and stuff like this on, because you know, every penny does help towards building this van. To get it to where I actually really want to get it to, it's going to cost a lot of money, and I am going to get it there, but the support is absolutely fantastic. So if you do want that exclusive invite on this nuts adventure, what you can do is you can either donate via Just Giving, PayPal, join Patreon from literally as little as £1 a month, and you can cancel at any time you've had enough. You're not fixed into a contract in any way with that whatsoever. Or the other option of it is, of course, is even if you buy some helmet head merchandise, if you just send me an email saying this is the date and time that I purchased it, so I can check, because I don't get sent anybody's information, but what it will do is I can check when it was purchased, and I will send you the exclusive invite as well. Now like I said, some people said that we're nuts and they wouldn't want to do it, but what we're doing is we can have a barbecue on a Friday night, and I'm not giving out the date because all the campsite details, that is exclusive invite only. I will say it's within a few weeks though, but basically we're going to go on the Friday night, we can have a barbecue at night. The Saturday morning we are going to ride out to a cafe at the beginning of the route where we've been requested by a patron to meet up with them. We're going to probably have some breakfast there and a cup of coffee, and then we're going to head off on the Strata Florida nuts. This about 7 miles long, off-roading, green laning, and then we're going to head back in the evening and we're going to have another barbecue on the campsite. Now if people do want to just come along for the barbecue, the chat, go off and ride during the day out in Wales enjoying the beautifulness, then come back for a barbecue and a catch up at night, they're more than welcome. You don't have to do the actual nuts off-roading part of the adventure. You can just come to hang out with me and the sidekick and get to see the Monkey Cycle camper van, the absolute bodge. I mean, the brilliant job that I've done inside it and not messed up at all in any way, and have a laugh. And that is pretty much the options. You don't have to do the entire thing by coming along. You can just hang out for a few beers, a bite to eat and have a giggle. I'll bring some sausages and I will bring some rolls at night. Anybody else wants to bring a few bits to chuck on the barbecue, that's what we'll do. Enjoy a few beers and have a laugh. And that's pretty much the way it's going to go. And I am so excited about this upcoming adventure because it is next level craziness. And that's kind of what I want to do on this channel. Start going next level craziness. And that is pretty much it. If you do want to get invited, like I said, there is ways of doing it. It's going to be crazy. I can't wait to see what happens. Some of these river crossings and stuff looks out of this world. It's gonna be absolutely a nuts fun crazy adventure. Anyway, as always, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, this is a great time to, because you do not want to miss out on this adventure. The bell notification so you get the notifications, and don't forget a thumbs up and a comment before you disappear. And then a massive thank you to my patron as always, because without these guys and girls this channel couldn't produce the videos it does as quickly as it does, and their support is just awesome. Check out their names in the credits. They are all absolutely vital to this channel and I really appreciate them. And of course, on this channel we live by 3 very important rules. The gospel of life, the most important thing: eat pie, ride motorcycles and be happy. I will see you in the crazy bonkers adventure coming up. Take care for now. Bye bye.
Tonight we're running on the right track.